Morning light fills the classroom. A new day begins.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you feel ready today. Today, we will start a small group project together.
Okay, I will listen carefully. I have many ideas, but they stay in my head.
Please look at the group list on the board.
Hi, I'm Peter. Hi, Peter. I'm Maya.
They sit together, unsure of what to say.
What is that notebook? Oh, it's my sketchbook. I draw when I think.
A colorful city appears on the page.
Only piano. That's very
Wow, this looks amazing.
gentle humming returns.
Candy, buildings rise like a dream. Chocolate roads twist through the city.
I call it Candy City. It feels happy. I like it. Let's plan the pages carefully.
The first page gets a title. People smile and walk together. A huge factory stands at the center. Inside the factory, a man works alone.
Who is this man? I'm not sure yet. I want to add more detail.
The bell rings. Team stop.
I need to keep this safe.
Evening comes at home.
I just want to finish this part.
Long day. My body feels tired. What are you drawing?
A school story. Is it okay if I keep drawing?
The city grows bigger. Small streets appear between buildings. Shadows begin to form. Morning returns to school.
The city feels different now. This page is empty. Yes, something is missing. Every story needs a problem.
The colors slowly fade. A greedy figure takes form. His eyes look empty. The factory gates close. The lights go out. People feel afraid. Someone is trapped inside.
No, this feels too dark. Are you okay? I'm trying.
The teacher notices quietly.
Take your time. You're doing well.
Night falls again.
I need to finish this.
A shadow watches from the door.
He works so hard.
I won't stop now.
A small hero appears. He stands alone.
My eyes are tired. I will rest now. This page is new.
A lonely hero fills the page.
He looks sad, but brave.
The classroom noise fades.
Can I sit with you? Yes.
They look together.
He shouldn't be alone. I felt that too.
An empty page waits.
Let's finish it together.
After school, they meet again.
I brought pencils. Thank you for coming. I'll help plan.
The city brightens. The greedy man grows.
The problem feels real.
I see teamwork here. Keep going.
I feel better now.
Pages fill quickly.
He didn't give up.
Quiet support speaks loudly.
Thanks, Mom.
The story takes shape. Presentation day arrives. Drawings go on the wall.
Are you ready? Yes.
You may begin.
This is Candy City.
The city shines. The factory appears.
All candy is mine.
What happens next?
The class listens closely.
The hero does not fight. He shows the truth.
Very meaningful.
Applause fills the room. The story ends, but creativity continues.